Today on Maxini Gadgets, we're making a delicious Italian hot sausage and spaghetti burrito. So let's get started. Yeah, to get started making our delicious Italian hot sausage spaghetti burrito, we have Johnsonville Italian sausage, and it's a hot sausage. Can you see it? Yep. Okay, we're going to be using probably 2 of these links. So let me get these out of the package and let's start cooking. Okay, let's set our burner to medium high. Put a little oil in the pan. And we're going to let that warm up. Yeah, let's go ahead and put our silicone handle on our cast iron pan here. Makes things easier to hold on to. Okay, that's better. Okay, our pan's hot enough. Let's go ahead and put our Italian sausage in there. All right, let's do it. Okay, now let's lower our burner to medium. Try to roll them around a little bit, you know, and get all the edges. Okay, let's lower our heat to medium-low. Okay, let's shut off our burner. Let's use a meat thermometer and see where we're at here. We should be about 160. All right, let me see. We'll get in this one. Yep, it's 162. Okay, they're done. Okay, let's take them off the burner and move them aside. Okay, now we're going to take our cast iron griddle. Yep, and we're going to make our burrito. We're going to take our 12-inch tortilla and we're going to put that right in the middle. Just about like that, right there. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and take some of our spaghetti that we made. Yep. Now this is a good way to use up spaghetti if you have leftovers. But we went ahead and made this with some diced tomatoes. They're the petite diced tomatoes. And we added some seasoning, you know, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper. Yep. Okay, let's put that right in there. Now we're going to go ahead and take our sausages, the Italian hot sausage, and we're going to put them right in there. Yeah. Put one there. And one here. Now we might have to fold this up differently than normal. You know, we might have to slide these in a little further. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now let's take a little bit of our mozzarella cheese. And we'll put that on top. That's about half a cup. Now we're going to sprinkle a little Parmesan cheese on there. Now this is degraded Parmesan. Okay. Now we're going to sprinkle on a little bit of garlic powder, because we like our garlic powder. If you want to, you can kick it up a notch, put a little more red peppers on there. Red pepper flake. Now we're going to sprinkle a little bit of oregano on top. Yep. And now, if you can believe it, we're going to try to fold this up. Or roll it up. Yeah. Okay. That's a huge sandwich right there. Nothing I make is small. You know that, right, by now? Okay, let's do it. Let's see if we can fold the edges in. Maybe get these in there a little further. I don't know if we're going to do it. Huh? We're close. Let's fold the edges in. Okay, let's go. A little bit more, and I think we got it. Okay, I think we got it. Right there. Tuck in the edges. Make sure they're in there. Wow, that's a big one. I mean big. Okay, now we're going to set our burner to medium. And we're going to toast that up. Yeah. We're going to toast it on both sides and get everything nice and melted in there, all the cheese and everything. And that's going to be a big one. Yeah. Okay. Let's give it a shot. Let's toast it up and then we'll have a taste test. Yeah. Let's do that. Okay, let's see if we can flip this over and see how we're doing. Oh yeah. Okay, let's do that side. Okay, let's flip it over again and see how we're doing. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Wow. Okay, let's shut off our burner. Okay, let's put that on a cutting board and give that a taste test. Wow, do you see that? Look at the size of that. Can you see it? Boy, is that big. Yep. Okay, let's give it a taste test. Well guys, here it is. Our huge Italian hot sausage and spaghetti burrito. It's loaded with hot sausage, loaded with spaghetti, and all those good seasonings that are in that spaghetti with the petite tomatoes and the cheese. Yeah, this is going to taste good. Plus we added more mozzarella and Parmesan cheese on top and more seasonings. So this is definitely going to taste good. You're going to love this, I bet you. Alright, let's go ahead and just slice this in half and have a taste test. Yeah, let's do that. Okay guys, let's just go ahead and cut that in half. Let's see how we're doing. Okay, let's check it out. Oh yeah, look at it, it's still steaming. Yeah, wow. Look at the cheese in there and the spaghetti and the sausage. I bet you this is going to taste good. Okay, let's just go ahead and have a bite. Alright, let's do it. Wow, is that tasty. With all those seasonings and that hot sausage. Yeah, can't beat Italian hot sausage and spaghetti right here. Boy, does this make a nice lunch or dinner. Yeah, this is really tasty. You're going to love this. Look at all that in there. Okay, let's just go ahead and put them down here where you can see them. Boy, they're big. There you go. Well, there you have it, guys. A delicious Italian hot sausage and spaghetti burrito that we made. It's quick and easy. And if you have leftover spaghetti, go ahead and use it this way, because you can make 3 or 4 of these without any trouble at all and feed your whole family with it. Yep. It makes a really good lunch. I'm going to tell you that right now. Or dinner. Boy, is this tasty. Yeah, I just got to have another little bite. Mmm. Is that good? Yeah, you know what would go good with that right there? A nice wobble pop. Yeah, because I'm eating it for lunch. So that's good. Okay guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Boy, is that tasty.